Advanced electrical electronic components. Capacitor. A capacitor is a two-terminal electrical component constructed out of two metal plates separated by an insulating material called dielectric. The plates are conductive and they are usually made of aluminum or other metals, while the dielectric made of any kind of insulating material such as paper, glass, ceramic or anything that block the flow of current. Capacitor is that stores potential energy in an electrical field. The effect of a capacitor is known as capacitance, measured in farads. Magnetism is a form of phenomena resulting from the alignment of molecules within certain metals. There is two types of magnetism found on today's vehicles. Permanent magnetism, which is always magnetized, or magnetism that energy remains after exciting force has been removed. Temporary magnetism, which is creating a temporary magnetic field by passing an electric current through a wire. Electromagnets have magnetic properties only while the current is flowing. A diode is a two-terminal electronic component that conducts current primarily in one direction, and insulate when the current flows in opposite direction. For a diode to conduct, it requires forward voltage. In other words, there must be voltage drop across the diode before it can conduct. This is between 0.5 and 0.8 volts. LED. LED, a light-emitting diode. LED is a two-lead semiconductor light source. It is a p-n junction diode, which emits light when activated. When a suitable voltage is applied to the leads, electrons are able to recombine with electron holes within the device, releasing energy in the form of photons. Magnetism is used to do work by controlling the function of the following components: relays, ignition coils, starter motors, injectors, solenoids, audio speakers. Since current should flow through a diode in only one direction, use the diode test feature of a DVOM to verify its operation. First, power down the circuit and isolate the diode from the rest of the circuit. Next, select diode test and connect the leads. With most testers, when the leads are connected in one direction, the meter will beep and display the forward bias voltage required to turn on the diode, that is, the voltage required which will allow current to flow in one direction. When the leads are reversed, the meter will display OL overload. The bias voltage for many automotive diodes is around 0.5 volts. If the diode measures no continuity or OL overload in both directions, it must be replaced. Direct current versus alternating current. The flow of electrons is defined as electrical current. How current flows will determine if the current is direct current or alternating current. In direct current, or DC, the electrical charge flows only in one direction, positive to negative. In alternating current, or AC, the electric charge flow periodically reverses direction, equals positive to negative and negative to positive. The majority of electrical circuits on a car use DC before it can be used. Batteries. Vehicle batteries have come a long way in recent years to deal with the ever-increasing number of lifestyle electronics within modern vehicles. However, short journeys with reduced charging time and the increased electrical load during the winter will still reduce the battery's performance and could ultimately result in battery failure, with nearly 20% of winter breakdowns due to battery faults. An automobile battery is a type of rechargeable battery that supplies electrical energy to an automobile, usually its lead-acid type, and are made of 6 galvanic cells in series to provide a 12-volt system. Each cell provides 2.1 volts for a total of 12.6 volts at full charge. Heavy vehicles such as highway trucks or tractors, often equipped with diesel engines, may have 2 batteries in series for a 24-volt system, or may have parallel strings of batteries.